China's Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Jiang Yu spoke to reporters at a regular news briefing in Beijing.
As China always stands open for foreign investment, China hopes other countries do the same for China's enterprises.
The plan that was vetoed involved a mining site within a restricted missile testing range at Woomera in the South Australian desert. The Hawk's Nest iron ore mine would have been a joint venture between Western Plains Resources and the Chinese corporation Wuhan Iron and Steel. Jiang Yu also said that Chinese Enterprises Economic and Trade Corporation, handled on the principle of equality and mutual benefit, is conducive to realizing a win-win situation. And she added that the Chinese government always backs its companies to carry out overseas investment and cooperation in accordance with market rules and international regulations. Earlier this year, the failure of a Chinese offer to buy a large stake of Australian mining company Rio Tinto and China's arrest of Rio Tinto executives on industrial espionage charges caused tension between Beijing and Canberra. But the two sides seem eager to cooperate. More than 100 government officials and leaders from business circles joined the investment forum in Sydney. Speaking at the opening ceremony, China's ambassador to Australia, Zhang Junsai, said that the momentum of bilateral trade of the two countries is strong this year. He said that bilateral trade volume reached almost $60 billion last year. And from January to July this year, the trade volume was up 27% year on year, reaching over $45 billion. And the ambassador also said he hopes Australia will treat Chinese companies with fairness and justice. The former Australian Prime Minister Bob Hawke also spoke at the forum in Sydney, saying that Australia has benefited a lot from the development of China's economy. And he added that keeping good relations is good for the two countries and for the Asia-Pacific area. So it seems that it is in the interest of both sides to work to maintain good relations. Neva Wyman, BON.